There's nothing markets hate more than uncertainty. And there was quite a bit of that overnight when reporters asked the US president whether Israel would launch an attack on Iran's oil fields. Joe Biden's vague response led to a 5% jump in oil prices overnight, which suggests investors are feeling a little worried about the prospect of a wider regional war in the Middle East, which produces a third of the world's oil supply, and the potential for petrol prices and inflation to start rising again. And despite their 10% surge in the last 3 days, oil prices are still not that high in the grand scheme of things, partly because Iran accounts for just 4% of the world's supply, even though it is the world's 7th largest oil producer. On top of that, there are some oil-rich nations like Saudi Arabia who are itching to ramp up their production by the end of the year. And there's also hope that cooler heads will prevail. Hope being the key word there. Meanwhile, all those concerns led to a bad day for the share market, with the All Ords dropping 0.7% today. And it's also down 0.7% for the week. Now, it probably won't come as a surprise to you that oil stocks were today's best performers, like Ampol, Woodside and Viva Energy, while almost everything else did quite badly. And it was a mixed bag overseas, with Wall Street and Britain's FTSE down very slightly. Japan's share market was flat, while Hong Kong rebounded from yesterday's heavy losses. And in currency markets, the Aussie dollar is buying just under 68.5 US cents. And that's finance.